It's a simple pleasure, enjoying gardening on a beautiful sunny day. But years ago, just being outside on a day like this would have been impossible for Brecksville resident Barry Burns.
This morning when I woke up, I thought this would really be a classic migraine day for me.
Even as a little girl, Barry suffered from debilitating migraines.
It was a nightmare, a daily nightmare.
Until 2001, when she met this man, Bauman Gayaran, now head of plastic surgery for University Hospitals.
There are two things that the patients tell me repeatedly. You have changed my life, and for the first time I have control of my life.
10 years ago, Dr. Gayaran made an unexpected discovery. One of his forehead lift patients told him she had stopped getting migraines. After more than 1,000 procedures and compiling 7 studies on his work, Dr. Gayaran now has the medical evidence of something he says he knew all along.
92% of the patients either have at least 50% reduction or complete elimination.
And 70% never got another migraine. Those patients whose migraines were triggered in their temples or forehead also got a forehead lift, as you can see in these before and after pictures.
So with the same operation, not only we eliminate the migraine headaches, the patients look better also.
For patients like Barry, life looks better without the excruciating pain of daily migraines.
Yeah, I suffered, but I have a whole new patch of life now without that. It's the best.
She hopes other migraine sufferers in Northeast Ohio will someday be cured, just like her.
There's a way out, and it's right here.